Thank you to all the medias who are present here. Today, as a elected representatives of Takarzala, Jompuizala, I along with my honorable MLA, we visited DGP, Director General of Police in Agartala headquarters. Why is that? Since from the very long back, there was a blast and there was a gunfire in our own constituency. For that reasons, the law and order is not being maintained in our constituency. What happened is in that on 10 April, during the violence, during the post-poll elections, during the election time of TTDC generation, the contesting candidate of BJP named Nirmal Debarma, in his house, the police has recovered 2 guns and bombs, but still now there was no such actions. Even the SP of Sipaijala district, Vijay Debarma, was hard with catapult, and there was no such Somoto case also. And regarding in that, in spite of that, in the last 9 May, there was again a serious blast in our own constituencies. So where is the law and order in our constituencies? We have filed many petitions, we have filed many complaints in various police stations like Jompuizala, Takarzala, to SDPU and OCS, but there was no such action has been taken till now. That's why today I along with our honorable MLA, we came to meet DG, Director General of Police here in the headquarters, and seeking him, requesting him to bring peace and prosperity in the area of Jompuizala and Takarzala. And if this thing is being continued again and again, how would you assure the people of Jompuizala and Takarzala to bring peace? Our Chief Minister has been keep on saying that kauke chara hobe na, which means no one is going to spare. So is the Chief Minister of Tripura is working only for BJP or is he working for some other political party? The Chief Minister of Tripura, being the home, who has been handling the home department, he should be in neutral, whether it is from BJP, whether it is from Mota, whether it is from CPM. See, whenever you see the culture of Tripura after pre or post elections, it brings the culture of West Bengal. The violence happened only in West Bengal and Tripura. Why? Why can't we bring the example, the changes of Tamil Nadu? Why can't we bring the changes of Kerala? Why can't we bring the changes of Assam? इलेक्शन आ जाएगा जाएगा, इलेक्शन खत्म होने के बाद कहीं पर कहीं अगर हम लोग आक्रमण करते हैं, हमला करते हैं, ये कहाँ का नियम है? We want to change the system. We don't want the system which has been repeatedly again, which has been happening during the time of CPM regime in the year since from past 35 years. अभी भी त्रिपुरा में सरकार बदली हो जाता है, कहीं CPM हो, कहीं कांग्रेस हो, कहीं बीजेपी हो, लेकिन कल्चर अभी भी बदला नहीं है. अभी भी मन में वही कल्चर है. इलेक्शन खत्म होने के बाद किसी का घर जलाना, किसी का घर तोड़ना, किसी को मारना, यही एक कल्चर रह गया है त्रिपुरा में. सो मैं दरख्वास्त करना चाहते हूँ सभी त्रिपुरा का, जो भी पॉलिटिकल करते हैं, इलेक्शन आएगा जाएगा, लेकिन हम लोग यह कल्चर बदलना पड़ेगा. इसीलिए वही सोच लेकर हम लोग अपने राज्य को आगे लेकर जाएगा और आगे लेकर जाना यही हमारा सोच भी है. तो द चीफ मिनिस्टर should act promptly on this matter. Whoever, whether it is from his party, should be punished by the law and the culprit should be arrested as soon as possible. That is what we mean, and we seek to DG of Agartala today.